Oh, don't you see? Hear the voice of for you and me, the voice of sunshine coming into the heart of the one who believes, on the Son of Man. Believe, and you shall be saved. Oh, to hear the voices coming, to hear it all this come now. Oh, to see the sun shine bright now. See the light shine in your heart. Believe, believe on the Son of Man. Sincerity.